With every passing day, harrowing tales of India's COVID 19 crisis are coming to light. In an absolutely shocking and inhuman incident, bodies of over 150 reported COVID fatalities were found piling at a ghat on River Ganga in Bihar's Buxar. According to locals, over 150 dead bodies, which have been reported as COVID fatalities, were dumped on the banks of Ganga River. These COVID bodies will be washed down further and can be eaten by stray dogs, which will further spread coronavirus, the report added. The recovery of the dead bodies in such large numbers has sent shockwaves across the country. It is suspected that the bodies were perhaps immersed in the Ganga as a part of the last rites. It is believed that a drop in the water levels could have left the bodies stranded along the banks. The incident was reported near Mahadev Ghat, where dogs were seen wading through the washed up bodies. Meanwhile, the blame game has started between Bihar and Uttar Pradesh over the recovery of the dead bodies. The Buxar district administration in Bihar has said that the bodies are from neighboring Uttar Pradesh. The Buxar district administration has also said that the bodies floated down the Ganga river and piled up at the ghat there. Speaking to a news channel, Ashok Kumar, who is a BDO Chausa, said that it is a big tragedy. Uttar Pradesh's Birpur and Baregam are on the banks of river Ganga and are nearer to Buxar. Mahadev Ghat is a place where floating bodies tend to get stranded on the river bank. As villagers say, around 400 to 500 bodies were seen here, but the CEO and himself have seen 40 to 50 bodies there. We will properly investigate into the matter, he further said. The report of such grave insensitivity caused outrage on social media platforms, prompting users to question the administration. The opposition parties also took to social media to slam the BJP government. The All India Mahila Congress targeted the BJP over the reports of bodies being dumped in the river. Earlier on Saturday, a similar incident was reported from Uttar Pradesh, where several unidentified and partially burnt bodies were spotted floating in the Yamuna River in Hamirpur, according to residents of the town who alerted the police. 2 bodies were also partially burnt.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.